we make another content of vlog, a little simple side dish, okay, for queen, for the chopped corn and string beans with carrots dice, okay, with I don't know what the others is, a little bit pasta. So we remove the water for this one, and this one is sweet corn chopped already, okay, in the pan, okay, for change our vlog for today. They're cooking a rice, Saudi style, okay. Now it's burning. So with other ingredients, Shazam! Okay. Shazam! Okay, so we drain this. Okay. Savings for grilled chicken last night. Ingredients, low heat only. And we put some black pepper. Okay. Salt. With gooey fried onion. You buy that Dolorama. Simple like that. Simple. Low heat. One time heat is done. Okay. You don't need too much ingredients. You taste it. Yummy. Okay. Simple. No stress. Okay. Yes. Okay. That's it, guys. Very simple. Simple side dish. We finish it. Okay. Ingredients only: onion fried, black pepper, a little bit salt, and diced carrots, sweet corn, and string beans with a little bit cheese or pasta. For side dish only for our grilled chicken. Okay, it's almost, the rice is almost done. Okay. That's it. Okay, that's all, guys. This is my supper. After that, we make poutine. Okay, Canadian style. Okay, so later after my supper, so it's time to eat now. Okay, so see you guys, subscribe and click the notification bell for coming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's all guys. Hopefully you like it this video. A simple side dish, homemade. Okay, if you know how to cook, you can create easily. Okay, at your own style. Okay, so the rice is almost done. It's time to eat now with my simple vlog. Easy. It's easy. Okay. See you guys. That's all. See. Time reheat. Then close it. It's done. This is a leftover grilled chicken in the oven. Okay. So this is my supper for today. Steamed rice with my side dish and grilled chicken with supporting documents of fried fish. Okay. Fried fish with scrambled egg. Okay, so see you guys that all with sardines. Okay, that's all guys. This is my lots of supper for tonight. Okay, bye, see you.